Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add phone number to Microsoft account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So to do this, you want to go on to your PC or laptop and you want to open up a new internet browser and come across to Microsoft.com. So from here, if you're not logged in, you're going to see the sign in button in the top right hand corner. As you can see for myself, I'm actually logged in already. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. Then what you want to do is come down and click onto the link to go to your Microsoft account. So it's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now what you're going to want to do from here to add your phone number is come to this menu on the left hand side. And you want to click on to the option which says your info. From here, what you want to do is scroll down until you get to the account info section. So this section just down here. As you can see, currently there is no phone number on this account. So let's go ahead and add a phone number. What you're going to want to do is click up here where it says edit account info. And now you'll be taken to a screen like this. And this way you can come to actually add your phone number. So if you look in this section where it says account alias, and you can see a link here which says add phone number. So if you click onto this link, and what you can do is add your phone number. So you just need to enter your country code and then go ahead and add your phone number underneath. Once you've entered that, just come down and press the blue next button at the bottom. Unfortunately, this service is not working right now, but you just have to add your number, then click on next, and then it will send verification code to your phone number. Then you just have to add that verification code here and your phone number will be added in your Microsoft account. So that's basically how you can add phone number to Microsoft account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.